Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie Wernsman, and I'm a licensed clinical psychologist at Thrive Psychology. I provide individual therapy, and I love working with women to help them achieve their goals, as well as embrace new ways of approaching their lives in general. I specialize in things like depression and anxiety, trauma recovery, including childhood abuse and domestic violence. And I also really love working with LGBTQ populations and creative individuals who might be experiencing blocks at the moment. I use a positive approach in therapy, which is rooted in cognitive behavioral and dialectical behavioral therapies, so that I can focus on enhancing strengths and make sure that you're living the most fulfilling life that you can. A lot of my previous clients have told me that something that they appreciate is how I'm able to sort of balance this a kindness or a compassion while also challenging them to move forward and grow. Sometimes they tell me that they'll hear my voice in their head saying, well, Jamie says it's okay if I feel this way, and I'm going to make this choice. And I sort of laugh at that, and I like hearing that. At the same time, the goal is ultimately for people to be able to hear their own voices and to trust themselves. Almost every tattoo I have actually has to do with a former client that I've worked with. So I have symbols for some of the work that I have done with people who have really impacted me personally and professionally, have actually shifted the way I viewed life. Or have just impressed me with their strength and their ability to kind of overcome in life. There's honestly nothing more rewarding for me than to see a client grow over the course of therapy, and my goal is to have a client walk away embracing all aspects of themselves, an ability to confront the difficulties as they arise and to more fully engage in those aspects of life that are really meaningful to them. If you're interested in working with me, I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out to me via my page on the website. You can schedule a free 30-minute consultation.